In this video, you'll see how you can schedule Teams meeting using Teams client. So this is my Teams client. I'm talking to Neeraj, and we are working on a project X. So hey Neeraj, I'm going to schedule a meeting, right? So this the message happens, and the Neeraj replies, sure, right? That's his typical response from Neeraj. Um, and then I'm going to schedule a meeting. So watch me. Follow me. In the calendar section on the left rail, there's a calendar. You can do new meeting. Or if you are familiar with your Outlook, open your Outlook, go to your calendar as usual, and you'll see new Teams meeting. Click on that. You'll automatically see this the join instruction for your recipients. You probably will see automatically this, but if you don't see their phone number and conference ID, that means you don't have proper license. Please talk to your IT department to get that enabled. Also, the local numbers for the people um, who only can join the meeting with the phone numbers and they are not in your area, they can click on local numbers and it will give you the globally available phone numbers to dial into the meeting. And you also there's a meeting options. Meeting options means who can bypass the lobby, who can join without being in the lobby, stuff like that. Okay, so let's dig into let's schedule through Teams. That's what we're focusing on. In Teams, go to Calendar, click on New Meeting, and I'm going to type title Project X. The moment you then do that, now it is the date October 20, and this is the date for today when the meeting ends. You can do free busy from here. Now I need to invite a few people. So I'm going to invite Rosie. I'm going to invite Neeraj. So I'm inviting people. But if you don't want to invite and everybody invited, you can do is in the channel. If you're already working on the channel, like which is in your Teams channel, you can actually schedule a meeting within the channel, and whoever member of the channel will get notified, and people can join from the channel. Okay. So this demo purpose, I'm not going to cover channel, but just the regular meeting by inviting people. You also can invite people from outside the organization. So I'm gonna invite the people, let's say abc@gmail.com. I'm just making things up. You can invite that as well. I know this is not a right address, so it will bounce. So I'm not going to do that. All right, so and I'm going to invite one more folk, Sanskar, and you hit schedule. All right, that's it. That's simple. You don't need to open another app, another add-on, another application. So now, as soon as you hit the schedule, you get all the phone numbers like you see in the Outlook, and all the meeting options. If you want to bypass the lobby, click on that. And who can bypass the lobby? I will say only in my organization. People outside the organization will be in lobby and wait for me. All right, so now you go to calendar, you'll see your project has been scheduled. If you click on that, you can edit. Okay, so if you forgot anybody, you can go back and add again. So let's say I'm going to add link MV, let's say CP960. This is another device I forgot to add because I need to join from the conference room device and stuff like that. So update, and that's it. Okay, so in next video, you'll see the joining experience. Thank you. All right, in this video, we will join the meeting that already been scheduled. In my previous video, I scheduled the meeting. Now it's time to join. So click on Project X. So open your Teams client, and if you go to Calendar section, there is a Project X is about to start. So imagine this is Project X is going to start 5 p.m. as we scheduled. You can join actually from your Teams client. It will take you to the same place. So if you open your Outlook, let's say, and open your calendar, your Project X, and you click on the Join Teams meeting from there too. All right, so for this demo purpose, I'm just going to use Teams client and go to your project that's you're trying to join. Click on Join, and this is your joins welcome screen, right? This is your meeting has not been started. This is just showing you which project you are on, how you look like. You want to enable background blur so people can focus on you, or there's things that you don't want to show in the background, kind of privacy. You want to enable the video or not. You want to enable your microphone. And also there is a room system. There's a video room system nearby. So my computer knows automatically there is the video system next to me. Do you want to join the meeting from that? If we click on that, the audio, video, everything will join from the device, but your computer will be in content only mode. So we're not going to do that for now. And at the bottom, you see audio off. That means if you are in the conference room and a bunch of people are with the laptops, and maybe somebody is already joining with audio, and you don't want to create audio howling, you can click on audio off, and you will join the meeting without audio or video, just content only. So you can see the content, but there's no audio howling. Phone audio means that you can click on that, provide a phone number, the system will call you back to your mobile phone, desk phone, or whatever phone number it is. Add a room that earlier you saw. There's a room devices, there's the video devices that you can click on. If it's available, like it says available, that means you can join through the device, and giant big monitors and the video conference room, video conferencing devices you can join from. So at this demo, I'm just going to click on join now. I'm going to mute so there is no audio howling in this demo. So I'll just click on join button. All right, so this is how it looks. If it's only one participant is in the meeting. So I'm going to ask Neeraj to join, and that would be my video too, but let me see. Okay, so Neeraj just joined from another laptop, and you can see that another laptop joined another account, and there are two people are collaborating now in video. But this is just a video. It's not really collaborations, right? Video is you can see the emotions and you can talk to face to face. The collaborations happens when you open the doc and work together in a project or presentation, stuff like that. So, well, I'm not going to cover that. What you can, let's cover. You already saw the collaboration in part one, how you can, collaborate a document together. In this video, you'll see a couple of controls here, right? So that once you join the meeting, there are a couple of things. You can just turn camera off. Let's say they see the other person cannot see my camera. I'll enable the camera. The microphone is for audio, so other person can see my audio or not. The share, so what you can share, right? Desktop or my presentation or whiteboard, you can share that. And then the three dots here, you can actually blur my background now, so other person cannot see my background. Let me ask Neeraj to blur his background. So he just blurred his background. As you can see, there's nothing you can see in the back. And then also some meeting notes. You can add some meeting notes here. Start taking notes, and also you can start recording. Right. So once you hit the recording button, the meeting will start. Any recording, the notification will pop up on the top. Now your meeting has been restarted recording, and you see that meeting has been recorded. Everything happens right here. You can actually chat within the same meeting. Hello, Project X members, and anybody in the project, inside organization or outside organization, everybody can chat here, collaborate at the same time, and the recording is here. So once the meeting is done, or sorry, so click on show participants, and you can actually add a few more people if you forgot to add into the meeting. And if if the person is Teams enable, it will be dialed into the meeting, or you can actually type a phone number, right? Regular phone number like 323, whatever. And the person will receive a call saying, hey, you are invited to join a conference. Press 1 to accept the meeting invite. And press 1, it will be added to the meeting automatically. So these are the quick tips and easy to access joining meeting experience. Thank you. In this video, you'll see some advanced stuff in meeting. So you can, before the meeting happens, things you could do, and the recording and a few other stuff, how that works, okay? So let's schedule a meeting. Click on new meeting, as you already know. So I'm going to fill this information. Okay, so I invited a few people, and I'm going to hit schedule. So time is correct, and all good. And now, once you schedule, click on chat with participants, right? So it's not really chat only, but a few other things. Once you click on chat with participants, you'll see files tab, meeting notes, right? It automatically appear in your meeting, right? This is not, meeting's not started yet. This is a future meeting, but you already can start chatting here. So hello guys, and we can have fun here, meeting and stuff like that. All right. So once that is already in place, all the members can start chatting here. And now we want to add some meeting files. That files that we are going to work on the meeting or present in the meeting, whatever that use case may be, right? So let's create the file here. As you know, in the first video collaboration video, you saw drag and drop, so I'll do the same thing. So I just drag the file and it's uploading right now, the presentation that we are going to do in the meeting, right? So that's or the document that you are going to work together. And meeting notes, take notes. Usually in meetings, somebody takes the note, and that note is only with that person. In this case, the meeting notes is already in the meeting. So once the notes is here, everybody can see the notes. Everybody can contribute to the notes, and notes stays within the meeting. So if you go back 3 months and the project about that project meeting, you can actually open the notes in the notes section. Isn't that powerful? The meeting notes are never in with one person. Whiteboard. So if you if you need to do whiteboard or collaborate, right? So this is my diagram, and this is my router. We need to talk about some things, and there's a switch, whatever the project would be, or there's X-ray diagrams or anything you want to collaborate together. This is where you do. But you don't have to do it now because the meeting has not been started. But if you already do, the once the meeting joined, you'll see this content. Okay, so now we'll join the meeting. All right, it's time to join the meeting now when it actual time is. So click on your, and it will remind you, or somebody already started the meeting. You'll see the started notification. But in this, for the demo purpose, I'm just going to click on that and join meeting. So in the meeting, a couple of things. Meeting with audio and video. Make sure you have a headset like this. A couple of, the Plantronics, Jabra, Sennheiser's, a lot of products you can buy from the products. But before you do that, joining the meeting, make sure go to settings, click on this name, go to settings, and make sure your devices are properly set. The audio devices, your speaker, your microphone. If you need to make a test call, your video cameras, everything's perfectly set. Otherwise, you may not be hearing, or somebody else not hearing you. It can be an issue. So make sure you do a make a test call. All right, so once that is done, you already know this button means from the previous video, so I'm not going to cover that. So I'm just going to join the meeting. I have asked Neeraj to join his meeting. His from his laptop too, and Neeraj is going to blur his background, so you will not see um, uh, the background stuff due to privacy, or need to be focused on Neeraj. Okay, so that's for joining experience. So now you already know, right? So now a couple of things. I want to record this meeting. Click on start recording. Recording happens in the cloud, so there's no data on your laptop or desktop. So it's already recorded. Everybody gets this notification on the top. Your meeting has been recorded. Okay, you can share. So now a couple of things. You want to share your desktop, click on that, and include system audio. That means if you're playing YouTube video, the other participants in remote end will also hear the audio with video together. You can only present your PowerPoint. You want to present the window, and it's only one, not your whole screen. That you can do that. Okay, or let's click on whiteboard. Remember the whiteboard? We already made this drawing even before meeting started. So now, pre-meeting, we already have done few works to be more efficient in the meeting. So now we can talk about this diagram. People can collaborate already. Okay. Also, if you go to chat section, you'll see the document that we want to present or collaborate together during the meeting, and we can finish the document, we can present the document, whatever your use case may be. All right. The most of the use cases, you attach a file and you can click on the edit in Teams. Now everybody in this meeting can edit and view at the same time and contribute to the content. And you don't have to save, please just hit close and you'll be fine. All right. So let me show you. Join and did I hang up? Yep. So I rejoined the meeting and you chat. There's a file here. You can join your meeting notes here. Everything's here. Simple. I'm going to do is stop recording. Once the meeting recording has been stopped, meeting recording content will be posted into the meeting. See right here, you see the notification. I'm going to hang up the video, or sorry, the meeting. And after that, you will get the notification. How is the call quality? I'll say 5-star. That was great. And meeting recording has stopped. Saving to the Microsoft Stream. In a few minutes, you'll see your meeting recorded content posted here. All right, so meeting recording has been posted into your meeting, right? So the way to get that in like, let's say after 2 weeks, you may be thinking, where's my meeting is? Go to your calendar, open your meetings, click on chat with participants. You'll see the meeting notes. Sorry, the meeting notes, your documentations, everything you worked on this meeting, including the recording. Click on that. You can play. You can play this the meeting recording with video, whatever presented, everything in this meeting. All right. Also, you can click on that and you can share, get a link, or open in Microsoft Stream. So what happens in Microsoft Stream, you have more stuff you can do, like edit. You can share easily. You can see, people, sentiments, a lot of stuff. So I'm not going to go more details, but this is a lot more things you can do. And again, this is all with Microsoft Teams. You don't need any other apps. Everything happens within the Teams. Next video, I will demonstrate how to join from mobile devices and the experience looks like, and including video devices, video, audio, conference rooms, and mobile. Thank you. In this demonstration, let's join a meeting from my laptop or my PC, and then also see how the experience looks like from iPhone or mobile device. So click on join my regular PC, muting mute mode, so there's no audio howling. And this is, as you know, this button is because I have a video conference system next to me. It detects, hey, there's a device nearby. We'll go through that in a few minutes. So I'm going to join now. As soon as you hit the join now, this is my iPhone on the right. It automatically gets the meeting started notification. So you never be late into the meeting, or users never be late. Click on that and hit join now. You can do that for notification. If you miss the notification, you always can open your Teams app. You go to calendar and click on join button. If you hit the join now, you are going to be automatically joined into the meeting. But if you want to call me back, you call me because you want to receive the audio on your desk phone, or you call back on your cell phone because you're driving, click on call me, and then it will call you on your cell phone. Just type a new number or your existing number you already used in the past. Okay, so in this demonstration, I'm just going to click on video is on, and I'll just join now. Once join now happens, the mobile device now receives the video and transmits the video at the same time. A couple of things you can do. It really makes this meeting experience awesome. Is in the top right, you see there's a plus sign. You can click on that and you can add more people. Or you can do is add a room. So add a room means if there's a device like video conferencing device next to you, you can join through that device. Let's not cover that for now. We'll do that next. But in the meantime, you can you'll see add people and add search by company directory or whatnot. So let's go back and let's do a couple of things. In the at the bottom, actually, before you go bottom, on the top. So add people on the top right, and then next to that is a chat, right? So you can actually chat with the people who are in meetings, right? In meeting, and you can chat about the project, whatever it is, right? And then at the bottom, your video, that's video on and off. You can turn off the video. If you're driving, if you don't have enough bandwidth, kill the video. Mute speaker. You can select the device of the audio output, and the three dot buttons. That's kind of important. You can actually start recording from a mobile device. Click on start recording. Recording is about to start, and everybody gets notification, including my desktop or PC. Also, if I click on the same three dots, call me. So if you already joined the meeting and audio is not great because you don't have enough bandwidth, you can always call me. And now our couple of things: the turn off incoming video. If you don't have any good bandwidth, you can click on the turn off incoming video. Now there is no video. Okay, and you touch the screen, and these three dot buttons will appear. And now I will do is share. This is the really good use case. Share, and then you share a PowerPoint. And if you click on that, I will select the OneDrive and I have my PowerPoint. And let's say I have an Office 365 direct routing deep dive presentation I need to do in this meeting. I click that. You see in the mobile side, I see presented already, and then left side in my PC I can fast forward my deck, and you can see it's happening instantly. That's presentation. So you don't have to actually take the PC in your room or meeting room. You can have all you need is a mobile device to present and join the meeting. I'm going to stop the presentation and click on three dots again, and I'll say share. And now I can do share a screen. So let's say sometimes you want to share a screen of a mobile device. You can do start broadcast. So what happens in the start broadcast is as soon as you click on that, the broadcast your screen will appear on your PC. Right now I'm already using another application, so I'm going to stop that and I'll broadcast my PC. Just a second. All right, so it's going to broadcast my iPhone into the meetings without any other applications. You're sharing a screen now. Now I can touch my screen, my laptop, sorry, my iPhone, and actually I can play with it. And without any other software application, I can I can mirror my iPhone into the meeting. So you can do demonstration or whatever use case may be. Okay, I'm gonna pause that. Great. So that's the experience from the mobile device. You can present, you can record, you can do one touch meeting join, everything from the Teams app. So I just hang up, click on join button, and you're good to go. So what I'm going to do next is how we're going to join meeting from the meeting devices. And I'll use this, my phone camera, to show you the experience. All right, so let's dig into the meeting joining experience. We already covered the mobile device, and now we're going to cover the meeting room device. So I'm going to show you a few things. I'm using my mobile device, as you can see, my handphone, iPhone. I'm going to present that using Teams. I'm joining the meetings. I'm presenting from my iPhone as my camera as a content. So I can start the presenting, and you're probably going to see this into my meeting. So I can click on join now, and you'll see the video presenting through my camera. Okay. Now, in this device, this is a Crestron, the Microsoft Teams room. So I have two monitors, I have a camera, everything's ready to go. All right, there's no meeting schedule. There's nothing in the schedule. So and I happen to walk into the meeting room. So what I will do is, let me hang up this and I'll show you. When I go to the conference room and click on the meeting and you join, okay, this restaurant room is next to me. The computer will identify automatically, hey, there is a room, there's a video room system next to you. Will you want to join from the device? I would say join and add this to room. The click on that, it will connect automatically into the meeting room device. I'm going to record this. As you see, the invite comes to the restaurant system. I can hit the join button, and the meeting has been joined and started. I'm going to mute so there's no audio howling. Okay, so that's how simple it is. So even there is a conference room device and you forgot to invite, you can walk into the conference room. If it's available, you can just join. This is called proximity. Your laptop will know the device is there automatically. What if there are the room device that's already been scheduled? For example, there's a Yelling device, Yelling room systems. There's a monitor connected, and you walk into the conference room and you hit join button. Once you join, your audio, video, everything will start automatically. So there's nothing you need to do to dial, anything like that. And there is let's say the video phone, Office 365 or Microsoft Teams phone. And you can see there is a join button on the phone as well. This is a full featured phone. You can dial any numbers, but in this case, you hit a join button on the phone. And now you can also join meeting from the phones as well. This full feature video phone, okay? And the use case would be in executive offices or small conference room that requires video, stuff like that. And you've probably seen this, the make three, kind of star, and there's also a join button. You can hit the join button, and the meeting will start on this device as well. Okay, so that's how simple it is. Devices makes life easier for the users. So you can deploy these devices in your conference rooms and make it one-touch meeting join experience from mobile, from any device to video systems, video rooms, and everything, right? So that's how it is. Thank you very much for watching, and any questions, please feel free to comment and I'll get back to you. Thank you.